Hi friends, this is Anchal and I'm here once again with some more roots of words. So the first word for today is by. In the previous video, we studied about uni, U-N-I, which means one. It's just plus one to uni, that means two, and two defines by. For example, if we talk about some vocabulary, the first one goes like this, biannual. Biannual means something occurring twice a year. For example, we are celebrating Navratra and you all know Navratra occurs twice a year. That is biannual. Next is bilingual. Bilingual means anything having two different languages. When we talk about two different languages at the same time, that is bilingual. For example, if I talk about Hindi and English together, that is bilingual. Fine. Now you can look at this picture to understand its meaning. Next vocabulary is chron, chrono or temp. It means time. So for example, if we take some vocabulary, the first one says synchronize. Synchronize means when we have two different tasks and they are occurring together, they are happening together, then we use the word synchronize. For example, you can see this picture. The next one is chrono, or we can say chronic. Chronic means something happening for a very long time. In this picture, you can see a person is suffering from a disease and that disease is happening from a very long time. That is where we define chronic. And the last vocabulary for chrono or temp is contemporary. Contemporary means anything happening recently. You have a dance named out of this word, that is contemporary dance. The next word is inter, and inter means between. If we talk about international, international means involving two or more countries. So for example, you can see Olympics, and Olympics is an event or it's a game that happens internationally which involves more than two countries. Next is interconnect. Interconnect means when you link two or more things together, that is interconnect. So you can see this picture to understand its meaning. Next is Jude, J-U-D. It means rule or law. So the first example is judiciary. Judiciary means a bench of judges, a group of judges is judiciary, or you can call it jury as well. So in this picture, you can see a bench of judges sitting together to pass a judgment. Here comes one more word, judgment, which also has the root word jud, J-U-D. So judgment means a rule or a law passed by this group of judges, that is called judgment. Fine. So for example, you can see this picture. The next root word for today is gastro, and gastro is related to stomach. If we talk about gastritis, gastritis is a condition when we have inflammation in our stomach. For example, you can see in this picture, this person is suffering from inflammation in his stomach lining, that is gastritis. Last is gastronomy, and gastronomy means study of food. So for example, you can see this picture. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe our YouTube channel, like our Facebook page, and do not forget to download our Adda 247 app from Play Store. And for excellent expertise, you can also join various branches all over India. Thank you.